What? What do you mean? I've got to finish this off before we do that. You said the camera's on? It's not. Oh, it is on. Tell me what to do. Anyway, this week is I'm going to start a series. I think it'll be like Rusty Gold auctions or whatever. I went to a big flea market, a local flea market, and then later on that day I went to 2 auctions actually. The first auction didn't get anything. It's an auction that's very highly priced, and every now and again you get something that's half decent price, but most of the stuff is very expensive. But the second auction I went to, that's the one I usually go to, have good prices, and I only got one thing there, and it's something that my wife told me to get. Have no idea what she's going to use it for. Who knows, I bought it anyway. So anyway, enjoy this next little segment. That's me. First of all, I'm at the flea market walking around, and then the second segment I'm going to put there, actually the auction, this video of the auction. I guess comment below, see if you can guess from the 2 videos before I actually show it what I actually got from them. I bought one thing at each of the places. So that being said, hope you enjoy the next little segment, and then I'll do a little reveal in a little bit.
What is that? Wire cutter? Single cutter? Here's the pot cutter. Ooh, maybe that would cut something good.
I never seen that. Those things in the trees are super old.
Michael's man taking the van to bid. This is reserve auction of auction or most of our merchandise here still has been to be on top. I also reserve the right to do just about anything I want to do up here. Most of y'all know what I want to do for you. Got quite a bit to go through tonight. If you buy something tonight, you can't take it with you tonight after the sale. You're more than welcome to come back over here on Monday from 3 to 7 for you to pick up merchandise. We're closed on Sundays, but we will be here Monday from 3 to 7 for you to pick up merchandise. If you can't pick it up then,
$10 wire. 10 other, paying now, paying 12 and a half wire. 12 and now, 15 now, 17 now, 17 now, 17 now, $20, 20 now, 22 and a half. $20 now, 22 and a half, 22 and a half, 22 and a half, 22 and a half, 22 and a half. Sell that $20 right there, number 15, number 15.
Hey,
Five, now, see the 5, now, see the 5, see the 5, see the 5. 6, now, see the 7, $6, 7, now, 8, 7, 8, now, $8, $9, $8, $9, now, 10, 10, now, $11, 10, now, $11, $10, now, $11, sell it $10 right there, number
128.
128, 128.
128, right?
Yeah.
Take some scalp massager or
Massager on DB lot. Yep, DB lot. Anybody?
Okay, welcome back. So, did you guess right? I know first at the flea market, there was quite a few things there to look at, but what I actually ended up getting, ta-da, was this. It's an Acme #1 stapler. I don't know if you can see that on the side there. It says #1 on here. It's all working condition. Now I'm going to have fun, I'm sure, trying to find staples that fit it. But in general, the place I got this from was, I think it's the last, I have to see when I made it, but I think it's going to be the last one you see at the flea market. His stuff is really expensive. There was a big bell, I don't know if you noticed there. I might get that, might not, I don't know. It's $45, which doesn't seem like a lot, but I'm not exactly a rich man, so I'm just trying to be conservative, because I do have a lot of things that I can restore, so I can't go too nuts. But this was $20, so I thought that was a steal. Very difficult to get an age on this, because they made these all the way up into the 1950s, but they started production like in the 1870s, something like that. Now this does look like it could be now I would have thought it's probably a little bit older, just by the look of it. But anyway, I love mechanical things. This is really cool. It's actually got quite a good action to it still. But that'll be an enjoyable one. And that was from the flea market. So thumbs up if you guessed right on that one. And what I try to do at the different, especially the flea market, if you see something on there that you think is worth some money, or you'd like to see me do, leave a comment, because that flea market, in general, especially that store, he's there every month. And to be perfectly honest, that stapler, I was very surprised how cheap it was. I mean, $20 is nothing for that. So I'm sure that and there's some of the other things I saw on there that I think the prices were actually on the video is very expensive. But he generally has the same stuff every month. Not many people buy that for those things from. So if you see something there that you'd like to see restored, we might get lucky and get it next month. Who knows? Anyway, so that was for that. Now for the second one, there was I'm sure you saw from the video, there was very little tools there. The thing I did bid on, which is you saw from the video, was that house jack, another house jack. I'm sure some of you will say it was really cheap, so why didn't you get it? Well, basically because the guy I was bidding against has unlimited pockets, and he would have kept on going and going and going. And I've already just done a House Jack, so I know it's not the same sort of thing, but I didn't feel it was worth it. And there really wasn't anything else there. But my wife, I don't know what the hell she was going to do with this, but she spotted this. I mean, it sure as hell doesn't need any restoring, that's for sure. This is brand new in the box. It fascinates me that people have stuff like this, and this is from the 50s, I think. You can still buy a version of it now, but not this junior thing. But look, this still has, even the cable's in perfect condition. I mean, this is like opening up a time capsule. Look at that dude there, it's funny. You can certainly see by the type and everything, but look at the condition of this thing. How neat is that, huh? That was only $10. I don't know about you, but I think that's neat. But yeah, she spotted that on the website, and she said, "You have to buy that." I don't know. I got no idea. I guess she must have a sore back or something. Hell, let's see how this thing works. You know, the amazing thing is, I checked on eBay. These things sell for like $10 on eBay. They don't sell for nothing. Something that old, as new old stock, you'd think would be worth a lot more than that. But okay, so this says, and I haven't even tried this out. I might get electrocuted. This might be the last video you see from me. I might get electrocuted. But it says on the brochure that I read, it says fingertip control. Ooh. Well, how about scare, fix it, restore it control? Wow, good lord. I'll tell you what it smells like. This is a good one for you to think of. It smells like those, we call them Dodgems. I guess you call them bumper cars in the States. I can't remember if you do or not. Bumper cars. So apparently you go like that, back your hand, and you turn this on, and then you go, good lord. Does that give you an idea of how much vibration this thing brings out? So, no idea what my wife wants to use that for. You can actually see it on my hands, look. Hell, tell me below what you think in the comments, what she might use it for. I don't know. It works, it's neat. You might see a video on this. I'll put it out and say it's the quickest restoration ever, and just get some polish and polish this up and say it's done. Even though I get a whole bunch of comments saying it's not a restoration. Hell, show it to your wives and see what they think they might use it for. So anyway, I'm going to go inside and tell her it works and give that to her, so she'll be pleased about that, and I can start editing this video and send it out just for you to watch and see what you think. I know there's not many tools on this one, that's how it goes sometimes, but you know, you've seen in other videos I've had a bunch of tools. So anyway, have a good day guys. That's it for another one. You caught me in the middle of doing another restoration. It's one of those ones that seemed like it was going to be easy, but it's been more complicated as per usual. That's a part of it. Yeah, what do you think that is? Put a comment about that too. And also, I've been reading up about how YouTube works, and apparently if you share the video, that really helps the channel. So just click on the share, just click on the picture of the video you're watching, and it comes up like that little, almost like a triangle with the 3 dots. Click on that and it says share, and if you would share it to your social media, apparently it kicks the analytics into action. So it'd be nice if we get a few more people look at the channel, because the more views we get, the more money I get paid from Google and YouTube, which then means the more money I can spend on buying things to repair and restore for you. Because I do miss out on quite a few, especially that first auction I went to, which you didn't see in this video, but they have some big stuff there sometimes, and they're just out of my price range. You look at it, $500 to $1,000. I can't afford to spend that monthly for sure. So anyway, share the video and hit the notification bell. That's another thing I read the other day, is that the analytics, even if you're a subscriber, they only send the video to the subscribers if the video is ranked highly enough. So if you haven't hit that notification bell, you might never ever see any of my videos. So if you're a die-hard fan and you want to keep watching my stuff, hit that notification bell and tell your friends and family and all that sort of rubbish. Anyway, that's it for now. Have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one.